Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is OP and I am a mommy vlogger. So welcome. So today I am going to be organizing my pantry. It is a mess in there, so we're just going to do a quick organization and just so that I can be able to get the food out when I need to prepare for my family. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more organizational video on this channel. So over here, my daughter wanted me to put the clothes back on her baby doll that was broken. So that's where you see me putting that on her. And now I am attempting to sweep that place. I don't know why I'm using my feet, but yeah. That's what happened when you're tired and trying to organize. So guys, you will see me storing our paint inside the pantry. I don't often put it in there, but we are doing some work in the house, and I do not want my 2-year-old to get into the paint because she's very into getting into everything. And then you guys will see the 2 pipes in the pantry. We are going to put in a dishwasher in there and a countertop in the near future. So guys, there is a dumbbell. Yes, don't be alarmed, it's only 5 pounds. My middle one, Timothy, was playing with it and I just had to hide it somewhere. So that's where it ended up, and I don't know, I think I kept it in there. That's what happens. So you guys continue and enjoy this video. I feel like I'm speaking and rambling too much, so I'm going to put on some really nice music so you can enjoy it, and I hope you get motivated to organize something in your house. So this is the final product, guys. I'm so happy. This place is organized and it's easy for me to get what I need now. So yeah, thank you so much for staying till the end of this video, and I hope you were motivated, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.